Introducing the Side Hemi Walker cane standard, designed for individuals with the use of only one hand or arm. This innovative mobility aid is lighter than a walker and more stable than a cane, weighing only 3.5 pounds. With an adjustable height of 28, 35.5 inches, it can easily accommodate users of varying heights. The Side Hemi Walker cane standard folds easily with one hand, making it convenient for travel and storage. Ideal for users who do not require a walker but need a wider base for support. This device offers a lifetime limited warranty for added peace of mind. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds and overall dimensions of 18.5 inches wide by 16 inches deep, the Side Hemi Walker cane standard is a reliable and versatile mobility solution for those in need.